Hey folks, Josh here at Wild Prairie Harley-Davidson coming to you today with a 2020 Road King standard here in the Billiard Red color here. Red and chrome goes together just as well as black and chrome, I think. Red's always been an iconic color of Harley-Davidson. They've had tons of different shades here. They really change these every year or two. This color I think is great. I wish it would be here to stay as well too. So with the Road King, it's the same as all of your rest of your touring bikes. Same suspension, same frame, same power plant feed in here too. 107 cubic inches of fun here. It's just you don't have the fairing, you don't have the travel pack on the back here. So you got that lighter, more maneuverable bike. Great dual purpose bike. So it's fun for around town, lightweight, lower to the better center of gravity here as well too, as it's all being lower for you. A lot of people like myself are vertically challenged. You know, it's just an easier bike to maneuver around town, but you can still hit the highway, go put those 400 or 500 mile days on there, 1,000 if you want to be, if you want to do an iron butt, things like that. So great dual purpose bike is what I always call it, because you have all those same comforts. You have a windshield here, detachable, so on a nice day you can pop that thing off here, go get some wind in the hair, or have it on there, have your protection as well to keep you dry and out of the elements, you know, not catching bugs and things like that too. So great bike here at Wild Prairie Harley-Davidson. It is very affordable as well too. So it's interesting to see how affordable those are, and with great finance options, it gets you a low monthly payment here as well too. So I encourage you to stop out to Wild Prairie Harley-Davidson, where we can show you how affordable these bikes are, and visit us online at wpharley.com. We have an online credit app. Get the ball rolling today and come in here and pick this bike up from us. So we hope to see you soon. Thank you.